Welcome on LeetCode channel. In this video I will show you how to solve LeetCode task number 169 is majority element. To solve this task we will use an algorithm, very popular, it calls majority element or Boyer-Moore's majority vote algorithm. How it works in details you can watch in this video, link will be in the description. But the main idea that we have different elements, and if elements are different, we destroy them, and then we have unique items, numbers or people, doesn't matter. You can watch it in the video. Also here we have code, how it works, and we can use it. Okay, so what do we have? We have n items and the task to find majority element in the array. Okay, how we will do it? We will use a cycle, of course, but before we need two variables. It will be winner and a counter. So in my case I'm using JavaScript language as my favorite. Also from constraints we know that we have at least one element in array. That's why I choose the winner will be the first one and increase in counter to 1. Then we go in the for cycle through the all elements, and the simple idea, if counter is 0, we need to set new winner, and it will be current element, and counter we need to increase counter or just set 1. It will be faster. Else if current element is already a winner, the same number what we already have, we just need the increase counter, else counter decrease, and that's it. Super easy implementation. Let's run, check if it works. And of course don't forget to return winner. And as you see, this algorithm is faster than 93% of submissions. That's why it's because of we using n complexity. It means that we don't run these operations more than n items or array length elements in the array. So it is a very fast and simple algorithm. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.